Jann Simon Wenner is an American magazine magnate who is a co-founder of the popular culture magazine Rolling Stone and former owner of Men's Journal magazine. He participated in the free speech movement while attending the University of California, Berkeley. Wenner, with his mentor Ralph J. Gleason, co-founded Rolling Stone in 1967. Later in his career, Wenner co-founded the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and founded other publications. As a publisher and media figure, he has faced controversy regarding Hall of Fame eligibility favoritism, the breakdown of his relationship with gonzo journalist Hunter S. Thompson, and criticism that his magazine's reviews were biased. Wenner was born in New York City, the son of Sim and Edward Wenner. He grew up in a secular Jewish family. His parents divorced in 1958, and he and his sisters, Kate and Merlin, were sent to boarding schools. He completed his secondary education at the Chadwick School in 1963 and went on to attend the University of California, Berkeley. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.